Jaw-dropping footage of a UFO is caught on a documentary crew's drone camera. What's up, Bacon Bits, and welcome to InformOverload. I'm your information overlord, Johnny Rogers, and if you're new here, we find the most interesting news stories on the internet and then we make them more entertaining. But for real, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we post new content all the time. Plus, don't forget to stick around to the end of this video where I answer some of your comments from previous videos. New footage from drone operators Sam Chortek and Jimmy Chappie from Beaver, Utah is shocking the internet today. They were about 2 hours north of the Nevada border shooting some stunning B-roll footage for a documentary, and at the moment the UFO drone passed quickly by theirs, the team was about 400 to 500 feet away from the drone. They didn't realize what they had captured until later that day when their editing team was scrolling through the footage. There's a lot of amazing things this video shows, so let's break them all down. First and foremost, it's very clear because of the quality and equipment that the camera crew was using. You actually see the UFO drone swooping and then turning from the mountain range in the back as it blows past their drone. Secondly, the speed at which it was moving is simply insane. The mountain range where you see it turn and come out of as it races through the valley was approximately 3.5 miles away as confirmed by Google Maps. The non-slowed down clip of the UFO takes only a second for it to whiz by. For something like that to be turning and flying that low to the ground that fast is unprecedented. Many believe it could have been traveling anywhere from 400 to 500 miles per hour, which to the documentary crew's surprise resulted in zero noise. Something moving that fast would invariably cause a sonic boom, yet the UFO made no sound. Now, when something like this comes up and UFO fanatics call it the best piece of video evidence to date, it certainly calls into question its authenticity. Many skeptics either believe that it's CGI footage, which wouldn't be a surprise considering it's coming from a video team, while others believe that it's a piece of technology from the US secret space program. Both are valid criticisms of the video and seem plausible. The site where the video was taken is just a couple hundred miles away from Area 51, which is notorious for its UFO sightings. However, it's also a highly classified remote area only accessible to the United States Air Force, which supports the secret tech argument as well. I want to hear your thoughts on this shocking new footage though, so put your conspiracy theories down in the comments below. Now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's check out some of your featured comments from the video titled "Man Wants Refund for the Worst First Date." Gotcha Twin says, "Hey, I never seen you before, but you look amazing, but I love watching y'all videos." Why, thank you, and we love having you here with us. Welcome, young spud. 2D says, "You are the potato overlord." Yes, follow me, my minions. Golden Slumber says, "I hope Johnny's eyebrows got my Valentine's Day card. I would marry both of them. We could be a throuple." I'm sorry, but unfortunately my eyebrows are in a committed relationship with my sarcasm and Dwayne The Rock Johnson impressions. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Is it there? No? Okay. Vague Boy says, "Thought he wanted the girl to pay for her part at the most expensive restaurant. Nope, it was coffee." I mean, it was an expensive coffee, but nothing that crazy. Unoriginal Bean says, "Okay, but Johnny is growing on me." Weird, where did I hear that? Oh yeah, my parents said the same thing to me last week. That's where that's familiar. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want any more videos like this one, just click that playlist on the side of your screen. And if you find any new and exciting stories that you want us to cover, just look for my Instagram at @TheJohnnyRogers or find the link down below. And you know what? Send me a DM. From InformOverload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.